Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you best free VPN software for Windows, Android, Linux, Mac and iOS devices. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link to in the video description, so you can click here and log into this website. So once you log into this website, you can see its web page. So here you can see download for Windows, download for Mac OS. You can see here Windows, Mac OS, even for Linux. Even if you're using a Android smartphone or tablets, you can download for Android. And even if you're using iPhone devices, that is iOS, you can download for iPhone devices too. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll be selecting this Windows. So if you're using different operating, then choose your respective operating version. So in my case, I'll be downloading the Windows, so I will click on download. So you download it firstly. So once the download is complete, just click on open or run the software. We'll just minimize it. So you can select the language. I will keep it as it is. Click next, click next, click next, click install. Wait for a few more seconds until the software gets installed in your respective devices. So finally the software is installed. So you can see its interface. As you can see here, icon on the left side of my desktop. So here you need to create an account if you don't have an account. As I have already created an account, it's totally free of cost, so don't worry, it will not ask you to purchase anything for creating an account. So you can just click on create account and create an account for yourself. So as I have already created an account, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you have not created account on for the Proton VPN, so you click on create account and create a new one. So before typing my username and password, let me show you by opening one website. Say I will just try to browse this website. So you can see the site can't be reached, so I'm unable to open or access this website because it's blocked in my respective countries. So what I will do, I will use a VPN, that is the Proton VPN, to access that website. So I will just type my username and password and I will log in. Now click on login. So you can see here, I'll just skip this store. As you can see here, you are not protected, so I'm disconnected now, so I have not connected anyone. So you can choose all the servers here because you are not using the premium versions. So you can directly click on the quick connect, and for you, you have three options. Like you can choose this three, but the rest you can't select it since you have not purchased the premium version. So you can purchase the premium versions if you like it, but for me the free version is enough for me. So you can directly click on quick connect or you can select the respective servers. So I will just click on quick connect, wait for a few seconds. So you can see I'm already connected now. You can see I'm already connected. You can just minimize or keep it as it is. I'll just minimize it and we'll try to access that website which I'm unable to access. So I'll just try to refresh this page whether I can access right now or not after using a Proton VPN. So you can see I can access this page while using the Proton VPN. So using this VPN you can access those websites which you are unable to access. And the good thing about this software is that it's totally free. I'm not saying it's totally free, of course, but it's free and it will provide you a good internet speed, which most of the free VPN lacks. And it's very good if you want to use a same software in different devices, like even in the mobile devices or even in different computers running different OS. Then you can use a single VPN, that is Proton VPN, which is available for almost most of the major platforms, even for the Windows, Linux, Mac, Android and iOS devices. So why don't you try this Proton VPN? I'm sure some of you may have known this VPN, but many of you have not heard also about this free VPN. So it's really safe, don't worry. There will be no any password leak out or any data leak outs. So it's totally safe. So try it out by yourself. And if you never known about this software, then please do share with your friends and relatives too, because they might not know about this very useful VPN softwares. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.